it's Deanna. I'm here with Missy today. She's going to help me do some baking, and we're going to make chocolate cookies with M&Ms. We've been cooped up in the house for a couple of days. We had Hurricane Florence come through here in North Carolina, and today we're ready to do a little bit of baking. So here we go. Okay, we've got our cookies in the oven, and we will be back when they are baked.
Back to the show.
We are back. We took our cookies out of the oven, and Misty here is going to give one a taste and tell us if they're good.
And two is Mommy going to give one in your head.
Okay, have a taste.
Great!
Is it good? Thumbs up? Thumbs up from Misty. Give these a try at home. See you later.